I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M4 versus the Nissan GTR R35. Let's dive into their core performance differences. The M4 typically boasts a twin-turbo inline-six engine, known for its smooth power delivery. In contrast, the GTR R35 comes equipped with a potent twin-turbo V6, famous for its raw, aggressive output. Both vehicles offer exhilarating acceleration and high top speeds, making them formidable competitors on the road and track. When it comes to driving dynamics, these two cars offer distinct experiences. The BMW M4 is often praised for its sophisticated handling and comfortable ride, making it a great daily driver that can also perform. The Nissan GTR R35, however, is engineered with a more aggressive, track-oriented approach, providing a visceral connection to the road. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction and stability, especially during hard cornering. Moving inside, the BMW M4 typically presents a more luxurious and technologically advanced cabin, offering premium materials and a comfortable environment for longer journeys. The Nissan GTR R35, while still well-appointed, tends to focus more on functionality and performance-oriented design, with less emphasis on high-end luxury. Both vehicles technically seat four, but the M4 generally provides a bit more usable rear passenger space for occasional use. Ultimately, choosing between the BMW M4 and the Nissan GTR R35 depends on your priorities. The M4 provides a compelling package of luxury, daily usability, and thrilling performance. The GTR R35, on the other hand, offers an almost supercar-level performance experience at a more accessible price point, making it a true performance bargain. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.